This is the pacing chart now for Math 1108, Section 03. It meets Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. On Monday and Fridays, we meet in North Hall 102, which is the classroom. And on Wednesdays, North Hall 106, that we call Math Zone, which is in essence a computer lab. Now, classes will officially start on the 17th, Monday, January 16th, is Martin Luther King Day, so a federal holiday, there's no classes. So we meet then on that Wednesday in lab in the North Hall 106. On that day, we'll give you two notebooks, a lecture notebook in which you write your flipped classroom lecture notes, and the classwork practice booklet in which we review those lecture notes and go over some practice items in our lecture classroom, which is North Hall 102. Now, what we have for each of the days, you'll see numbers. 2.1, 2.2, that first week, it's the only time we do actually two lessons. They're rather short, and that Friday evening you'll have a open notes quiz based on the notes you took from the flipped classroom lesson that we discussed in our orientation video. So that following Monday, you'll have taken the notes on lesson 2.4. We go into lab where we have notebook checks. The notebooks, good notebooks, are worth 10% of your end of term grade. And then on that Friday, we have another topic completing lesson 2.7, and that quiz is due. And then it goes on like that, telling what we expect you to have done each day, and the Q indicates an open notes quiz based on the flipped classroom notes. And then in these red boxes, they indicate when we will have tests. And what most students look forward to, over here in March, we have spring break, where there are no classes. Now, notice there are 13 open notes quizzes, so it works out to a little less than one quiz a week. And this continues till the end of April, where we go into a review mode as we start to review for the final exams. Now, there is a class on the 1st of May. That's the last day of official classes. Then there is a readings day where no exams are taken, and then the 4th through the 10th. Now, looking at what I've written here, you are required to take notes on the flipped classroom lessons before you come to class. And this is a Monday and Friday thing. Okay, to keep this a tad short, an idea of what the pacing chart is like for our Math 1108 course. Note that the course meets 3 times a week, and the classes run from 9:05 to 9:55, so shortened period of time. And we've taken our work and spread it out over the term in general, and hopefully you do well not only in this course, but all your courses.